The problem statement provided says that we have to decrease the return replacement rate of products which have come in due to quality mismatch by 50%. And in doing so, we have to provide insights to the suppliers and empower them in the process with more data so that they can make more informed decisions. Like any buyer-seller platform, MEESHO has two major stakeholders, that are the suppliers and the customers. So the customers are here with an objective and a mindset. They want the best quality at the least price, and that's what MEESHO promises as a platform. On the other hand, for the sellers, they have a zero commission model, and they give them a customer base which are looking for a bang for a buck.
Let me take you all to the journey of a seller, what a seller needs to do in order to sell their products online. From a seller point of view, I divided or categorized the seller into two personas. So there are two type of sellers. One could be informed sellers, and another could be less informed sellers. So these are the manual steps that we as a seller are doing. So we have to upload the photos manually. Of course, there is no other option. And then we have to enter in the product details. I mean, of course, the details which are not there pre-filled, but yes, that you have to write in by typing the product details. Yes, those are the two areas basically.
If we see from Ajit's perspective, let's say he has a red cotton shirt, and when he goes and enters the details, what he actually ends up creating on the platform is a cotton shirt instead of a red cotton shirt. That can happen due to a lot of issues. Maybe he forgot to mention the color. Maybe the seller wasn't aware that color also needs to be there on the platform. And there can be other various issues as well. Maybe the spelling is wrong, or maybe it's not a cotton shirt. So there are various ways that a communication gap can happen from a seller side. Okay, so categorizing the communication gap, it can occur due to inaccurate information, insufficient information, non-standard information, or human errors. Going from a seller's perspective, to understand the life of a buyer, let's see how a buyer actually buys through the platform. Small 5 steps. The first step is discovery. The buyer discovers the product. Then the buyer consumes the primary information, which is the header, the image, and maybe look at the variants. Then they would see variant information based on color or any other thing that might happen. Then the seller would consume the secondary information, that is size, and the other product details that have been created by the seller to describe the product. And then the customer would eventually cement their quality expectation.